6 service-based businesses you can start with next to nothing that can go and scale to 10K a month and beyond. Let's jump right into it. Number 1 is a paid ads agency. Now this can be across a multitude of different platforms. I'll give you some examples. There's Facebook ad agencies, there's TikTok ad agencies, there's Pinterest ad agencies, there's even Snapchat ad agencies. I even owned a Yelp ads agency once. People are advertising and spending hundreds, if not billions of dollars on these platforms in order to promote their products or services to the people and the users of these platforms. And so if you can niche down and specialize in one of these platforms and market yourself as the go-to guy for Pinterest ads, the go-to guy for TikTok ads, whatever it might be, you're gonna position yourself as an authority in the space as opposed to somebody else who's just, I'll run all your paid ads, Google, Facebook, whatever. And all you really need is the skill of knowing how to buy media and run the ads. It's not super difficult. Some of the biggest ad agencies out there make hundreds of millions, even billions of dollars a year and manage tons and tons of ad spend for the biggest companies. And every company out there needs to spend money on ads. And if they're not, you can take that and present that as a large opportunity that they're missing out on if they aren't. That's number 1, paid ad agencies. You're gonna see a lot of content about that. It might seem like it's saturated, but again, if you position yourself as an authority in a particular niche, you can stand out and there's still tons of clients that need this service. And to be quite honest with you, I've hired tons of ad agencies and they all suck. So if you're actually good at it, there's a massive opportunity for you there. Number 2 is a ghostwriting agency. I really like this idea because, again, you just need yourself and the skill of writing. And with the mega trend we have of people starting to create more and more content and X getting more and more popular as a platform and more people hiring ghostwriters, not only on X or Twitter, but also on LinkedIn, it creates a massive opportunity for you to come in, if you're good at writing, to be able to take on 5-10 clients, make up to $50,000, $60,000 a month, even $1 million a year, just by writing tweets and content on platforms like Twitter, X, or LinkedIn. And again, all you need is yourself and the skill to write and send some DMs in order to get clients. That's about it. And once you get your first client, you can use that one as a case study to start getting your second and third and fourth client. The cost to start this business is 0. Number 3, we have what's called a growth operator. Some people are calling it info product operator. All this is capitalizing on the opportunity that there's, again, a lot of people making short form video content on platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, or even long form content, and they've built an audience. Yet there's a lot of influencers out there who have massive audiences, but they don't do a great job at monetizing. As an example, for us, we don't have that large of a following, yet we still capture $400,000+ a month because we do a really good job at monetizing. Now we have that skill in-house, we don't have to hire someone to do that, but it's taken a long time to build this. And there's a massive opportunity right now for you to go out, find creators who aren't monetizing their audience really well and partner with them to help them grow some type of info product course community. If you're gonna be doing this type of business, keep in mind you are gonna need a lot of skills. You're gonna need to learn how to build a funnel. You're gonna need to learn how to script things like video sales letters. You're gonna need to learn how to sell because again, you're acting as a business partner to an already established creator. And again, as long as you have those skills, this business costs nothing to start. You send a few DMs and you'll have clients. Number 4 is copywriting. Now this is super similar to ghostwriting in a way, except there's a lot of companies that have massive email lists. And as an example, we have an email list of about 80,000 people and we email them every day, and we use an email copywriting agency to send these emails every single day. And this is something that every company needs. Think about companies that are posting all their social content, captions for Instagram posts, descriptions for YouTube videos, email lists, right? The list goes on with things that people need copywriters for. And if you can build the skill of being able to sell with your words and persuade someone to buy something by just writing words on a screen, you need no money to start that and just the skill of copywriting. And it's a massive, massive need. And AI is something here where I wouldn't be too worried because you can use AI as a tool to write a lot of stuff for you and then make tweaks using your mind to be able to shift whatever you need to shift, whether that's using ChatGPT to make it sound like whoever your client wants to sound like. And I still believe copywriting to be one of the best opportunities, especially if you're just getting into the space and you're looking to make money online. and you don't really know where to start, copywriting is a great skill that not only you can monetize and make a lot of money with, but also that's gonna carry you on to whatever business you start in the future if you decide to not stick with copywriting as a service. Because again, you persuade someone to buy something with your words. It is one of the best skills to have, especially as a marketer. Number 5 is consulting. Now, we run the largest house cleaning consulting company in the world. We've consulted over 1,500 house cleaning businesses up to this point, and it's a super random, super niche industry that not a lot of people even know about. Yet we're able to build almost $4 million business off of consulting house cleaning businesses. And you can take this skill in whatever industry you're in, and especially if you've worked in a particular industry for a really long time as a corporate employee, you can go off and start a consulting business in whatever industry that is. And trust me, no industry is off limits. I know consultants in the most random of spaces. We have a consulting company that we hired that just does HubSpot consulting. They only consult on a CRM. So that's how niche you can get with these things. And if you have a certain expertise in a random area, random industry, odds are people will pay you for that. Because if you can save a business owner or somebody time through your knowledge or expertise because you've already been through it or you've already done it, people will pay a lot of money for that. As an example, McKinsey's a multi-billion-dollar business, and all it is one gigantic consulting firm that these Fortune 500 companies go to, whether they're acquiring a company, they need to roll out a new product, they need to roll out a new division, whatever it is, they hire consultants all the way up into the Fortune 500. The biggest of big companies use consultants every single day. Another example, we hired a consultant that just builds out backends and masterminds for info businesses. And he came in, he was able to help us build a back end that does $300,000 every single quarter just because he's already done it before. And we as a business were able to bypass all the troubles of having to learn it ourselves just by hiring this guy. So again, you have expertise, you have knowledge in a certain industry, a certain area, you can monetize that. And again, you don't need any money to start that because it's all in your head. You just need to send some DMs, get some clients, and bada bing, bada boom, you're in business. And number 6, last but not least, my favorite, I hope you stayed till the end, because number 6 is house cleaning. You might be wondering, how the hell do I run a house cleaning business from home? It's something we talk about all on this channel. It's something we built our brand around. Alluding back to what I said in the previous one, we built a house cleaning consulting company because we spent 5 years building cleaning companies. And the reason it works so well is because house cleaning is an industry where you're competing against dinosaurs, right? People run their businesses on fax machines, pens and paper, or the owners are just out doing the cleaning themselves, and they don't really care about marketing, sales, or building an actual business. And the cool thing is you can come in from your home with $100 to $300, set up some software, turn on some marketing, make some posts in local Facebook and Nextdoor groups, and start getting leads. And all you need to do is hire contractors or independent cleaners who already have the equipment needed, already have the training necessary, and already have the vehicles to get to and from the jobs. Hire them and send them out to the jobs that you book from the leads you generate from those posts from the marketing. It's as simple as that. And as long as you're good at setting expectations and asking your customers for reviews, you'll build a good reputation inside your local community where that will just snowball every single month. And so you're already capturing something where there's proven demand over decades and decades and decades and decades. And if you look at some of the biggest house cleaning businesses, take Two Maids and a Mop as an example, they sold for over $50 million just cleaning people's houses. That's it. It doesn't have to be sexy. It doesn't have to be something where you're reinventing the wheel. And the best part is you learn all the skills. You learn how to market, you learn how to sell, you learn how to hire, and you learn all the systems and tech behind running a business. And so even if you don't want to stick with house cleaning, you can take all of those skills and take them into any business venture you decide to start into the future. And if it's something that you're really seriously considering, check out the other content on our channel. We talk all about how to start, build, scale house cleaning businesses. Even if you own a house cleaning business right now and you're watching this, check out some of the other content, and also click the link in the bio because we have a free training where we talk about how to start this business from dirt to 10K, 20K a month, and it's completely free. We just ask for your name, phone number, email, and you can watch that for free. And you can also see what it's like to work with our team. So check that out. And if you like content like this, let me know what you want to see next in the comments below. And if you have any questions, again, comment, subscribe if you haven't, run up the like button. We'll see you in the next one.